Welcome to the Explorer Dashboard series of videos. In this video, we will take a look at how to get started with the Explorer Dashboard. I'll install the application on this Windows 10 machine. Locate the product installer. If it is in a zip format, extract it to a temporary location. Double-click to start the installation. Please note that the installer contains Windows.NET Framework 4.0 and will prompt the user to install the framework if it is not present on the machine. Click Next to continue. Carefully read the End User License Agreement. And if you agree, click on I accept and click Next. You can change the install location here. I will click Next. And click Install to begin the installation process. If prompted to confirm the Windows User Account Control prompt, click Yes to continue. When the installation completes, click Finish to exit. Click on the Start button and you will see the newly added shortcut to the Explorer Dashboard application. I will click on All Apps and scroll down to Navia Studios. Expand Navia Studios and there will be two shortcuts. Explorer Dashboard, this is the application. And User Guide, this is the product documentation. Click on User Guide to open the PDF file. You may need to install a third-party PDF reader in some cases. I'll close the document. I will start the application. In the System drop-down, we only have localhost defined at this moment. So we will use a local machine to test the functionality. I'll click Load System Values to retrieve disk space information. Next, I'll set the system value type to environment variables and load the information. So the application is up and running properly, we can proceed to add remote servers to monitor. Click Configuration and Host Systems from the main menu. And click Add New Host System. Type the server name or IP address and specify a description of the server. Next, we add the username and password to access the server remotely. Click Add Host to add the new host to the list. Click Exit and we are done. We can now select the newly created server. In this first scenario, we will try to connect to a server that is not online and see the error that this generates. I will set the system value type to disk space and click Load System Values. In this case, the server is not up and running, so an error is received. The message center display is updated with the error message, RPC server is unavailable. Let me clear the error message. In this next scenario, the system is up and running, but the defined user does not have proper access to the remote server. In the message center, we can see that the user, user1, has received the access is denied error. We will need to verify the username and password with the administrator of the remote server. The system administrator will need to verify the Windows Management Instrumentation or WMI access privileges for the specified user. And in the case of files and folders, the file system access privileges need to be verified. Let me clear the error. The user guide has a wealth of information regarding the proper configuration required for the user to access remote servers. Let me open the user guide. I'll scroll down to Appendix F, Troubleshooting WMI Connections to Remote Servers. Click the shortcut to jump down to Appendix F. There you will see the various settings that need to be verified for proper access to the remote server. From network access to firewall settings, WMI access rights, DCOM permissions, etc. Once the user and settings have been properly configured on the server, you can query the server for system values. I click Load System Values, and you can see that the disk space values have been loaded from the server. I will select Environment Variables and load the values from the server. And this is how you configure and access remote servers. This concludes our video. Please make sure to watch the other Explorer Dashboard videos for more information. Thank you for watching.